What do you have?
A 2023 Ktm 125Sx.
Woo! All right.
Doing a little testing here with the one and only Dave Lee, aka Cool Man, here at Tomahawk on a cold, breezy day. Got, let's see, 1.9 hours on the bike.
Where's that hour meter?
Right here.
Woo!
2 hours, 2 hours on the bike.
All right.
Tell you, it hits. This electronic fuel injection is pretty amazing. I'm coming off a few decades of YZ125s with the carburetor. Even after Pete Payne at HDR Racing works his magic, it makes it a rocket ship. I don't think it'll compare to this thing. I can't wait for Pete to work this thing over, make it a rocket ship even more so than it already is. There is no problem in the corners with the fuel injection. It just hits right away. Its engine is pretty amazing. Suspension is pretty stiff right now. At 2 hours, it's starting to break in. Chris Keeper said, I think 6 hours. I think, well, he's the pro. I'm not, obviously, but I think he's right. It takes a while for the suspension to work in. But it is a pretty amazing bike. Feels great, feels light, nimble. Those are probably the same thing, but it turns like you can't imagine. I can't wait for the suspension to break in and keep riding this little ripper.
All right, so let's go over the highlights.
All right.
What does this bike not have? Does it have a carburetor?
Of course not. It's electronic fuel injection.
No carburetor.
Big empty spot there where the carburetor isn't.
All right. What else? Where's the Kickstarter? Let's see. It's a two-stroke, right?
Of course.
All right, so where's the Kickstarter?
There isn't one. Up here is the electric start. So you've got a start button and a kill button, and you've got a map switch here. You've got 2 maps, 1 and 2.
And you can see right through the bike. How about that? Okay, you see on the other side?
Yep, I think so.
Hey, how about that?
Yeah, a little handle for the first time that I can remember in KTM history. I've had a 125 and a 150. I don't remember that handle there. I think it's pretty great. I love the graphics. I love the orange seat. Looks pretty great all the way around to me.
Now the big question, how much does it cost?
A lot.
Okay.
Slightly under 8 grand. MSRP is slightly under 8 grand.
Okay, that's not too bad. That ain't too bad. I can handle that. I'll get 2 loans and, you know, maybe I can pick one up. All right, good stuff. We'll see you on the track later.
Yes, you will.
All right.